Hey guys, so I'm always asked, what do I do when it comes to my hair underneath? Wigs, crochets. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of this. I brag about it every time I use my natural hair routine videos. Oh, okay. I use Grow-Afro. How many times we're gonna get this correct? Grow-Afro. I use this on my hair. First and foremost is Big Chop. I'm just kidding. It's fake. Whoa there, Mr. Dude. You looking just like a dude. So, we're gonna do this the right way. Gosh, dang it. Freeze! FBI. So, I'm just kidding. They're just combs. The growth is real. I forgot something important, which was my detangler. I was wondering why my comb wasn't really glistering and gliding like it should be. It's great to be a melanin because we're dark and lovely. Get it? No? Okay. Our afro's so big that it can't even fit the screen. Gosh, I'm really ugly. So I know you're probably wondering why I got 2 eggs in the basket. It's not really a basket, but let's just get started. This is what I use as a wash day key to my growth. So I'm looking like a Timothy right now, which is okay, because I'll look like Happy Elizabeth later. I use eggs, honey, mayonnaise. Yes, I know you're probably wondering, these are things that we eat. Yeah. Peep this. Your hair grows a lot faster and better when you use organic stuff. You're welcome. And my key of them all, Afro growth or Grow-Afro. Gosh dang it, we need to understand that it's Grow-Afro, not Afro growth. I'm gonna get it together. Grow-Afro to your service. Okay, let's get dirty. Shake it well. Shake it real good. Don't be bougie, it's honey, okay? It's just in a bougie bottle. I normally don't measure, I just pour it in there because I know regardless my hair is gonna ask for more. I just know you, okay? I just know you. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Grow these inches. Grow these inches by Grow-Afro. Grow-Afro, I got that right that time. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey. And it will look like this. Pretty nice. Very milky. Your hair will grow. Trust and believe. My job is to get rid of all this dryness on the scalp. So mayonnaise, eggs, and this growth oil will do the job. So I like to apply this entire creamy crack onto my head as if I am applying my relaxer. Lord, I'm not a relaxed head anymore, but I do miss my relaxer a little bit, so I like to apply it like I'm doing a relaxed treatment. What I like to do is I separate my hair, and I feel like when you do it this way, you're giving it a better chance for your hair to, you know, grab a hold of the protein. I'm low porosity, so for me, I have to make sure that the eggs has kicked in, baby. Like, I will massage my head for a full 15 minutes just to make sure that the eggs, the oil, the mayonnaise, whatever I put in that creamy crack has kicked in. So you see I'm like massaging one spot for at least 15 minutes. So with this, I don't typically do the same thing every wash day, if that makes sense. I like to switch my protein treatments around. There's some days where I add avocado into the mixture and I don't use mayonnaise. And there's some days where I just use eggs with my growth oil. And there's some days where I just use avocado with eggs. Like, I don't really like stick to one because I don't want my hair to get used to a product. When my hair gets used to a certain type of routine, it stops working. So I like to mix every once in a while. What I do is I'll massage my hair for at least 15 minutes because I have low porosity and I want to make sure that the protein has kicked in. and then I tie them up, and then I add a plastic bag and I leave it on for at least an hour. But I try to use the whole entire protein on my head. So like if I do have like leftovers of the hair, I'll add like on the bottom, that's the bottom, the back side, and I'll add it like on my edges to help it grow. And then I leave it on for like an hour with the trash bag. If you have a shower bag, go ahead, but I feel a trash bag for me works just fine. And there you go. I wash my hair and, you know, let it grow, let it feed. If you want to see what product I used after that, I do have a video on this. It's what product Monday, which will probably be switched to what hairstyle Wednesday. So yeah, if you like this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.